Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we take a look at one of the stocks that has been requested by quite a few people, which is Amazon. So let's take a look at the chart right now. We are on the Market Intel website. As you can see, we make some changes to our, let's say, portfolio here on the website. We are going to cover some tech stocks in the future as well. So if you are interested in following these and get updates about these, just make sure that you register on the website. You can do that completely for free, and then you will receive these updates about tech stocks as well. We are going to cover them in some of the future videos as well. Now let's take a look at our stocks section. We select Amazon and we take a look at the daily chart first. So as you can see here, Amazon is still following our bullish expectations. So it's been a while since I've covered Amazon. The market has basically been following the bullish expectations. So in the last update, we also talked about a fifth wave to the upside here, still to come, targeting basically $259 plus. This is a fifth wave highlighted in blue of a larger wave one. So in Elliott-Wave, you get these structures that are always 5 wave patterns into the trend direction. So when the fifth wave is complete, again, this will form a larger wave one of an even larger 5 wave move. But because these are the trending movements, the first 5 waves in wave one, on the chart it's highlighted in green wave one, the subsequent correction could be quite substantial. Let's go back to the chart. Here on the daily chart, you can see that this obviously is quite a large wave degree. Just you need to look at the third wave obviously here, just to know that, okay, look, this wave 4, it's taken a long time to play out. It started in 2020 and sort of in 2023, I think beginning of 2023, this fourth wave finished. So quite a long time. This fifth wave is also taking a long time. So, and this is only, wave 3 and 4 and wave 5 of a 5 wave move. So you still have waves 1 and 2 as well. All of that adds up in time, which means the subsequent wave 2 should be quite substantial and it could lead to a substantial correction. But for now, the expectations are that we are still bullish. We are still going higher and there is no sign of exhaustion. I mean, the structure looks a little bit choppy here. So very much possible we're dealing with a diagonal pattern or so. These are always a little bit choppy and difficult, but at the moment the trend is up. We're forming higher highs and higher lows, and in the preferred scenario, which we assign a 70% probability, the idea is that this fifth wave should take us to $259 plus. However, pay attention to the resistance area on the chart. It's defined between it's actually defined at $214, slightly above it, few cents, but the $214 level should be a key level. Getting above it would further confirm and probably increase the probabilities of our primary scenario. Now there is an alternative scenario. We only assign it an alternative, or 30%, a lower probability basically. And the 30% probability scenario indicates that somewhere here we could top at any point basically locally, should get a higher low in this C wave, basically this wave 4 that presumably already bottomed, is still unfolding, and we would get a fifth wave later. But this is only going to be preferred if we basically turn around here, okay, before breaking above $214. So yeah, let's take a look at the 4-hour chart now. And you can see here that this is sort of the micro structure that we see at the moment, really the shorter time frame. Quick reminder, we're here on the daily chart and we are sort of in this fifth wave, and the idea is that we're currently moving actually in a larger wave 1, which should then also be corrected in a wave 2, just within that blue fifth wave. Gives an idea that this could actually extend quite a bit. We recently completed here magenta wave 4. We're now in magenta wave 5. That could get a few more upside squiggles. Here in blue wave 3 of magenta wave 5. That's where we are currently. Last breakout point was at $191.68. The idea is that the third wave here in blue should move a little bit higher. Then we get another 4-5 pattern. And again, that will complete beige wave 1. Then we should get beige wave 2, which is a corrective pullback. However, going back to the daily chart, it should end above the low of that blue wave 4. So probably not even go down that much. And it would all happen within that, let's say, dark blue wave 5. So that means this here is also still, you could say, we're in the midst of that larger degree fifth wave. And this beige wave 1 is part of that larger fifth wave. I hope that's clear. But that means in the very short term, especially as long as we now stay above the green line, that would be the next key level. If you're focusing on higher right now, that would be the key level, because we don't want, in an unfolding impulse to the upside, a wave 4 cut into the wave 1 one price region. That would be a first indication that we have topped in one way or another. So ideally this is avoided, and ideally we see further upside momentum. That's also the expectation. And then as soon as this third wave is done, we get another higher low, a higher high, and then we can watch for the next larger pullback, and that could be the next opportunity. So that's the update about Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please leave a like. Also subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and yeah, leave me a comment with maybe some tech stocks that you are interested in that we might be able to cover then in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.